Hey everyone! So today we're going to do something a little different from resin art. We're going to be making a textured piece of abstract art. Very simple, very DIY friendly. Just get a canvas, some texture paste, a few tools that I'll put in the description box, and let's get started. So first we're going to smooth over our canvas with our texture paste. I'm going to show you my tool that I'm using here in just a second. Like I said, I'll put everything in the description. This video is really short. I wanted to make sure I kept your attention, so I did not drag this out at all. After you smooth out your texture paste all over your canvas, you want to take your square notch tool that I'm showing you here. I got this from Lowe's or any home improvement store. And you're going to dig deep into the canvas, get a nice firm, steady grip on your canvas if it's not like mounted to the table. And you want to just dig into the texture paste very carefully, very slowly, so you don't mess up. And as you can see, I'm just being very strategic about how I'm making my arch design here. You can do swirls or whatever kind of design you like. I've really been into the arches lately. I'm going to be using another V-notch to go along the side there to create a different design. I used a popsicle stick, just a simple popsicle stick, to kind of go along the top. You don't see it in this video, but I went along the top there to kind of make the top portion of this uneven, to kind of give it a rugged feel, if you will. Can you kind of see up at the top there that it's not just a smooth finish, it's uneven. And so this is the detail texture shot. My child is in the bathtub and she's done. As you can see, I did paint this. I'm sorry I didn't catch myself painting it, but I just did it with the different colors that I was feeling at the time until I got a desired look. And here's another shot of it from a different angle. All the details in there with the gold. I even did the sides. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed.